Well, that's kind of what I used. Okay, guys, half inch extension down to 3/8, 3/8 to a 2-inch, 3/8 and a 12 millimeter to get all four of those bolts in. Yeah, because of the clearance. All right, so we got all those bolts in there. Yep. So we got to put our axle nut back on and torque it down. And yeah, that'll be the wheel bearing on the back of a Toyota 2015 Toyota Matix all-wheel drive Matix. Yeah, thanks for subscribing and commenting and all the above. Yeah, this one came this was a little easier in the first one I did. Yeah, but gotta find out the axle torque nut, torque nut, and yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time in the next one, huh? Bye-bye. Oh, we made it to the part where we torque down the wheel bearing, and it's 160, boys. 160. I'd show you my torque wrench, but it's an eBay one, and you can barely read them. Can you count it? It's between 150 and 150 and 170. Can you count? It's supposed to be 160. That's 160. $160, boys. Yeah, all we gotta do now is torque down the wheel studs, lug nuts, and you can do whatever you want there. I do like 180, 190, something like that. Yep. All right. Now I gotta try to put this thing in there. I kind of did a kitty wampus to it. I think I kneeled it with my knees, you know what I mean? Like new. Like new. Yeah. Like new. Alright, guys. You all seen this done before, I'm sure. Once or twice. You'll torque another wheel nut. So thanks for subscribing and commenting and all the above, and leave comments at the bottom and ring the bell if you like, and all that. Thanks for watching. Well, is it just me? This is October, not November, but dang, the leaves are just coming down like mad this year so far. Yeah. Yeah, there are just everywhere. Yeah. Alright, so we are, as I said in the last video, I was starting the fall cleanup. I was thinking I might have to put snow tires on my car already. Yeah. Alright. So, yeah. Now what do I do today? Oh, I was going to show this in one of the videos. I did, but I didn't. So I'll do it again. Pick this baby up. It's got brakes set up. Yeah. Got a little kitty wampa there, but got a motor plate. No shaft for the motor. Yeah, I goofed up, I guess, huh? But it looks like they just pulled it behind something, huh? So it looks like they just pulled it. Just a pull buggy. Yeah. Just a pull buggy. Yep.